Hey everybody, it's George and I'm here at Harding Street in New Britain. So the address is 43 Harding Street, New Britain. I kept forgetting to give the address and Lisa reminded me the other day that we needed to do that. So where are we right now? Well, we're done. I'm standing here in the house, which I'm going to show you. We just had the photographer come in to do the listing photos. As soon as those are uploaded, should be, I think he said Wednesday, I'll finish the paperwork and we'll be online and we'll be listed. So Harding Street's going to list at 2045, which is just a little bit over what the market has been spending on some other houses, but those houses have not been updated. So I think our price is going to be very solid. Well, let me show you what we're in for. Look at that. What a living room. What a design. Nice job, Lisa. I mean, that just looks absolutely phenomenal. I love that granite. That came out gorgeous. So what did we do? Okay, so aside from obviously the house got painted across the board, you guys know that we did all the work here. You know that we redid the kitchen, which I'm going to show you the kitchen in a second. We refinished all the floors. New doors have been put in on all the entries. The house has been mostly rewired. The areas that we didn't have to do, like we didn't restring everything, but we've rewired where necessary, of course. What else can I tell you? So kitchen, right? Some new floors, new kitchen. Look at this. This kitchen is absolutely beautiful. I love these cabinets. We used 36-inch cabinets. We did not go with what everybody else does, kind of a 30-inch cabinet. You know, it just gives it a little bit more dimension. So imagine that if you had this cabinet here, okay, that was 6 inches shorter. It just feels like it's left. Anyway, let's see here. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, I love this. Pantry that we redid. Love the butcher block effect, which goes great again with these floors. So if you're looking in the market, this is absolutely awesome. So we're going to be selling this, as I said, if you're looking in the market in the New Britain area, this is on the west side of New Britain. So when you come off of 72, it's the Corbin Ave exit, and it's right around the corner from that. I got to show you the sunroom. I love it. See, I like workspaces, like offices and things. What a great room. It's so warm in this room. What else can I tell you? So bathrooms, bedrooms have all been updated. Bathroom. Oh, I got to show you the bathroom because you guys haven't seen that. Hang on, let me just go back one more time. Kitchen. Of course, we put in all new appliances. Let's see here. Oh, all new lighting, of course. This has been a long week. You've seen that light already. So here's the bathroom, okay? Now the bathroom, you know, we didn't have to really change a whole lot here in the bathroom in terms of its size or anything. And it works really, really nice. Love that flooring. But here's something that Lisa, I know she'll want me to show off. So we popped out the center tile here, put this in this nice glass, which gives it just a nice water effect. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, and then the bedrooms are all good size. You've got a huge master bedroom here. Master bedroom goes out to a 3-season porch. Master bedroom is huge. This master bedroom's got to be, I think when I measured it, it's 13 this way by 16, if I remember right. Got a great master bedroom. You got a great medium bedroom. Again, nice big room, plenty of light. And you've got a smaller room. Now the nice part about the smaller room, these built-ins. We held on to the built-ins. We decided not to take those out. We looked at them and said, number one, they're in great shape. Number two, they create a unique storage space. And they're just attractive. So left them in. But anyway, so Harding is done. And like I said, we will finish up the listing this week. Should have it listed on the market, I'd say by Wednesday. I love this view. Absolutely love that view. Man. You know, Lisa has just got such a great sense for this stuff. I mean, it comes to her so naturally. And if anybody needs help with a design consultation of any kind, give her a call. I mean, she'll be happy just to talk to you on the phone. Yes, it's what we do for a business, but she just loves to get into this stuff. She loves doing all of this. And you can see it. I mean, again, look at, I'm so proud of her because this is something that she truly enjoys doing. She loves planning all this out. You guys would not believe how much time she spends planning every single aspect of this. The work that goes into this, look, we have contractors that do the work and they do phenomenal work. The electrician, the drywall guys, the trim guys, the paint guys, they all do phenomenal work. They're following a plan that Lisa has set. And I got to say, it's absolutely nice job, Lisa. Man, I cannot wait to put this on the market, which will be on hopefully Wednesday. All right, so Harding's done. If there's anything else I can tell you, drop us a note, ping us on Facebook, give us an email, give us a call. It doesn't matter. We're cool with that. And thank you, everybody, for everybody who has followed us and supported us, our friends, our family. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. And again, Harding Street, it's done. It's a great project. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you soon. Bye.